3 stories with you. So in Mahabharata, there were once upon a time there were 2 friends in Gurukul. One was a king's son and one was a Brahmin's son. The king's son's name is Drupada, okay, and the Brahmin boy's name is Drona. So when they both were studying in Gurukula, they were very, very best friends, like thick friends. So Drupada was already very rich. So he used to tell to Drona that I'll be helping you once I become the king. I mean, whenever you want, you come to me. Like once we depart from this, we enter into our normal lives after this education, you can always seek help from me, he used to tell. So Drona was also feeling like, generally when your friend says I am always there for you, you feel like whenever you are in a problem, you want to take help from him, right? So later they got married, Drupada became the king, and Drona was he was poor. Like after getting married also, he could not feed his family. He was still poor. He got a son by name Ashwathama. Ashwathama is Drona's son. So Drona's wife was not well and she could not feed her baby with her milk. So Drona did not have money to feed his son. So in olden days, Brahmins used to have cows with them. So he thought, I can go and ask Drupada only for 2 cows. Just to feed his family, 2 cows are enough. So he thought, let me go and ask my best friend Drupada. So one day he went to Drupada's kingdom. He entered into the court. The soldiers stopped Drona there itself. And he told that I am your king's friend. But they did not believe. So they went and told to Drupada. But Drupada, after he became the king, he was a little worried what he will ask. And he was in the deep of so many discussions or in some work. He ignored Drona and he did not, he allowed Drona to meet him, but he said, who are you? And you are not my friend. Like this, Drupada told. So Drona got hurt badly. He felt humiliated. He went and slowly one fine day Bhishma found Drona and he became the king of all the he became the teacher of all the Pandavas and Kauravas. But still he was holding the grudge for Drupada. One day he asked Arjuna. Arjuna was his best student. When Arjuna said, what do you want as Guru Dakshina? What did he ask? Drona asked, I want Drupada's kingdom. Get Drupada to me. So Arjuna, as usual, he is very powerful. He went and fought with Drupada and he got Drupada to Drona. Then what did Drona said? Again he humiliated him. So now Drupada got very hurt. He got hurt badly. He went and he did tapas for so many years and he asked Lord Shiva 2 boons. One is to have a son to kill Drona and 1 daughter to marry Arjuna. So now he got 1 daughter Draupadi. She married Arjuna and he got a son who can kill Dronacharya. He is Drishtadyumna. Okay? Here ends the story. Let's take out the morals. So from friendship, how it has turned. And finally, Drishtadyumna killed Drona. Okay, in the battlefield. So here we will end this. Ashwathama killed Drupada. Correct. Ashwathama is Dronacharya's son. Ashwathama killed Drupada. So there ends the two friends are separate. They died in the battlefield. So next story is two more characters from Mahabharata. One is Karna and Duryodhana. Karna is known for his he donates everything. Like he helps people. Even his Kavacha Kundala also, he is born with Kavacha Kundala. But he has given those also. If somebody asks, he just gives. That's all.
What is Kavacha Kundala?
Kavacha Kundala is by birth he got with the earrings. They protect.
Kavacha means?
Yeah.
The protection.
Kavacha is protection. So he was born with that. So nobody can kill Karna.
Bulletproof jacket.
Like bulletproof. But still, when Indra came in disguise and asked, even Karna knew that it is Indra, and if he removes those Kavacha Kundala, he will be died. But he gave that also. If somebody is asking, he is ready to give. So, and Karna is known for his giving.
Donations.
Donating power. See, Duryodhana. Is Duryodhana good or bad?
Bad.
Very bad. Yes, very, very bad, and very, very selfish also. He could not tolerate if somebody is very happy, more, especially from Pandavas. But still, he was very, very friendly. I mean, he was true to his friendship towards Karna. One day, what happened, there was a competition going on. At the time, only Kshatriyas were participating. Karna was very, very powerful and he was valorous. He was, He was well versed with the archery. But Krupacharya did not allow. Krupacharya was their guru. At that time, Duryodhana said that I am making him as the king of Angarajya. So he became a king. Otherwise, Karna had no identity as a Kshatriya. So that is why he was not able to participate in that competition. But Duryodhana took his side and he made him as Angarajya king. So from then, Karna was very, very loyal to Duryodhana. He was supporting him even though he knew that Duryodhana is not doing right. But they both were very, very loyal. No cheating, no no jealousy, no ego, nothing between them. When it comes to friendship, they are best. But to which side they are fighting, we don't know. We will decide. And another two characters from Bharata is Krishna and Arjuna. We all know Krishna is also a relative to Arjuna, right? But still, they both are best friends. Not only the relationship, but they have friendship also. So Krishna was always supporting Arjuna. Many times Arjuna was depressed. Even Bhagavad Gita was originated when Arjuna was confused in the battlefield. He was thinking that I should not kill my own relatives. This and all. He was deluded. Then Krishna supported him. He encouraged him and he used to tell him what is the reality. Many times Arjuna used to take hasty decisions. But still, Krishna was always there, and they were not fighting for the selfish things. Krishna and Arjuna, they were fighting for the greater good of the world. But Duryodhana, he was not fighting for the greater good. He was always selfish, like he wants to grab the kingdom from his own brothers, and he was not friendly with his brothers. And even Duryodhana planned to kill Pandavas many times. But always Krishna was there towards the Pandava side. Wherever dharma is there, the Lord will be there. See here, Drupada and Drona's story, what is that you understood?
Both are selfish.
They were friendly also. In friendship, what should not be there? Selfishness, grudge, ego. If somebody misbehaved with you, if your friend misbehaved with you, will you also do the same? He got hurt when Drupada misbehaved with Drona. It all started from Drupada, right? He misbehaved with Drona. Drona should not take it up so seriously that he again did the same thing, humiliated. So it was multiplying. Whatever you give, it will be multiplying, right? If you shower love, it will multiply. Forgiving was not there. And it led to the destruction of both, right?
And changed it into enemyship, ma'am.
So there is no friendship only it started from friendship, but it ended in the destruction of many lives. And coming to Duryodhana and Karna,
They're good friends, they're loyal.
And they're like best friends.
yes, successful friendship. When it comes to friendship, it is successful. But is it yielding any good to others?
Karna shouldn't have supported Drona when he was doing bad things.
It was not resulting good for others. When it comes to Krishna and Arjuna,
Friendship. Friendship is not relationship, friendship, and they are fighting for the good.
correct, successful friendship and fighting for the good of others. So friendship should our friendship should be like
Krishna and Arjuna.
not at all like Drupada and Drona. So whenever you are feeling angry or whenever you are feeling jealous, we have to remember, generally I am sure that you are all very good children, but still whenever something pops up, no, from inside, like if you are feeling jealous of somebody or if you are feeling jealous of any angry with your friend, you have to remember this. I have to forgive. I have to stand by my friend. Right? Beautiful examples. And even in Ramayana also you will see the good friendship between what is it? Sugriva and Rama. Why Rama did not make friendship with Vali, why Rama made friendship with Sugriva, we will discuss. Soon we will enter into Kishkinda Kanda. Now we are in Aranya Kanda, right?
Yes.
Next week we will discuss those the Ramayana stories also.
Even drama.